Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. One of them is pretty much my favorite because, well, first of all, it's pink. You can't go wrong with pink, right? But what it is, and I'm even calling these ribbon scissors. They are just some nice scissors, but the important part to me is how well they cut ribbon. Now, you'll know, usually with scissors, you have to you have to hold it tight and you have to go like this to get it to cut. Oh, no, watch this. Literally, and I don't want to waste too much ribbon because this is my favorite color, but look at this. I can cut it any angle I want and it cuts easily, peasily, wonderful. Look at that. They are very sharp. Do not let children use these, but you are going to want these scissors if you need some ribbon scissors. Look how easy that is. That is awesome. And they're pink. Oh, and they match, because they came from the same company, they match our scrapers and bone folders. So it's like kind of like they all go together. Isn't that fantastic? Just saying. Ribbon scissors. I'm calling them ribbon scissors too. I really am. Now, we have a couple other products. The rest are all limited edition. Once they're gone for good. Just a heads up. We have a limited amount of our Happy Birthday to You die set. So this is one that came in our kit a while back. We have a couple extra of those. We also have a couple extra of the paper pad that coordinates with it. So, this was the month we had our banana split. So there's the Happy Birthday. That's the font. And then we have some mint and we have some celebrate and we have some candles. We never can have enough Happy Birthday paper. Am I right? Oh, the cherries. I love that one. And how fun that it's next door to that one. So lots of fun little designs here. And cupcakes. You can't go wrong with cupcakes. Happy Birthday small, blue. Look at this. It's fantastic. So once they're gone for good. Just a heads up. Also, once they're gone for good. We have 2 embellishment packs. Now, let's look at these really quick. They both this one has gray ribbon. And it has gray twine. So I bet you this one's going to be something to do with gray theme. The fun little swirlies. I love those. Some nice, awesome epoxies that are glittery and some glitter buttons. So go check that out. Again, if you don't see it on the website, that means it's gone forever. Just saying. So if you need some more embellishments in your life, which who does not need embellishments in their life? Am I right? I'm right. Okay, now let's look at this one. This one is called Ocean Embellishments, and we're going to open it up. So I'm tearing it open. And look at, this one's my favorite. I'll tell you that one right now. This one has other different color glitter epoxies. It has some fun little diamonds. Not real diamonds, of course. Ooh, some palm trees, puffy sticker palm trees. 2 ribbons, 2 ocean ribbons, and an ocean and kiwi and white twine. Fantastic. Again, once it's gone for good. So if you like it, get it now. Now, if you don't like it, then that's great, because then there's more for somebody else. Okay, now what we have is we have a limited edition. Now we're going back in time on this one. This was the July 2018 kit. The fun thing about our kit club is 2019, I think we're sold out of every single one. 2018, we had some extras, so we're kind of starting to go through those. And this one is a really fun one. This was the Love Life collection. Look at that big die. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Love Life. Of course, it comes with an idea book. An idea card. And this was pretty much the colors. So this was banana, lemonade, tangerine, sea glass, ginger snap, midnight, chocolate, and kiwi. So it's a fall themed, oh my goodness, a fall themed kit. Isn't that cute? That little fox, I love him. Love Life. Oh, that was one of my favorite patterns. I missed that one. I haven't seen that one in a while. Ooh, wood patterns, acorns. Oh, there's our little fox guy. So lots of fun. I love that pattern. Lots of baby foxes, little foxes, so much fun. You also get, some fun wood epoxies and some matte epoxies. A specific stamp set you can only get in this kit. Of course, you get some ribbons and some twine and some cardstock and the handy dandy storage envelope along with regular mailing envelopes. Go check it out. If you don't see it on the website, that means it's gone forever. Just saying. So if you like any of those, go get them quick, because again, once they're gone, they're gone. The scissors will be carrying for a while though, so don't worry about that. But ribbon scissors, we all need them. I literally think I'm going to tie some ribbon to them and have them hanging right here so I can grab them anytime I need them and so no one steals them. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.